In the fast-paced world of technical services, efficiency and precision are essential. CMMSedge IoT empowers your team to deliver exceptional results every time. Technicians often face challenges like delayed diagnostics, lack of real-time data, and unplanned downtime. These issues lead to higher costs and lower customer satisfaction. CMMSedge IoT transforms the way you manage technical services. Real-time monitoring detects potential issues before they occur, triggers alarms, and assigns work orders instantly. Technicians can geolocate assets, capture signatures, and upload photos, all from their smartphones. With CMMSedge IoT, your technical service team can reduce response times, minimize unplanned downtime, deliver detailed reports and keep customers informed. Elevate your technical service operations with CMMSedge IoT. Visit cmmshere.com today and discover how to revolutionize your maintenance strategy.